My name is Tony Kasuha, I'm your HVAC instructor, and let me show you around in the HVAC shop. We first have two sections for the HVAC program. One section for the beginning and one section for the advanced. Two classrooms, let me show you the first one you're going to be in. In that classroom, you're going to learn how to do electrical, we're going to learn how to do refrigeration, we're going to learn also how to do brazing. The first thing we're going to do is electrical. Let me show you what we're going to be working on. These are the boards we're going to be working on. They're AC systems that are fit to a board. So the same thing you're going to see on a board, contactors, relays, and all the equipment you're going to see on a AC system with a thermostat, you're going to wire it together. And then after we finish up the electrical, we move on to advanced motors. So you learn how to connect motors, different types of motors, different voltage, three-phase, single-phase, 240, 120, any kind of voltage available for the AC system. You're going to learn how to connect. Now, also we will learn in this class how to do brazing. Now, the brazing requires some air movement, a lot of ventilation. You learn how to braze, you learn how to cut copper, how to swedge, how to clean copper, get it prepared and ready to braze. 8 people can work at this station at the same time. I'll be directing you into the right application. After you're done brazing on the station, you are ready to move on to real-life experience brazing. After you finish the 3 main courses, which is the core, you move on to the advanced. Advanced has its own classroom, and in the advanced program, you learn how to deal with some extra equipment. Like, for example, this 90% efficiency furnace. You learn how to install them, how to work on them. This is a reach-in freezer, reach-in cooler. You're going to work how to install them, how to work on them, how to prepare them, and how to troubleshoot. You're going to learn how to use an ice maker, how to actually install it, troubleshoot it, and work on it. We also learn how to work on showcases in case you decide to go to the restaurant business. You want to do maintenance on restaurants, so you learn how to work on a showcase. We also have 2 AC systems, and they're right here, that will be installed outside. So you learn how the real house works. This is our training station, and we have a under-counter fridge, which we actually connect as an AC system. It has a basic compressor, condenser, and evaporator. Inside the evaporator, you're going to install a TXV. This will teach you how to install a regular refrigerator, or also teach you how to connect and wire an AC system. Now, in case you decide to go to commercial, we have equipped the classroom with 4 different package systems, 2 of which are light commercial, typical residential air-conditioned system. They're single-phase units. And 2, which are larger commercial 3-phase systems. One of them is older, so we can learn how to troubleshoot on older equipment. This is a typical 3-phase system you'll see on a lot of commercial buildings. It might change in size, but the same principle. We'll teach you how to work on it, how to troubleshoot it. One of the programs, one of the classes also will teach you how to run ductwork and how to install zone controls. We give you varieties of learning that in case you decide to go to different aspects in the field. There's 2 units I want to show you that we have, and they're heat ventilation and energy ventilation system. They're heat recovery ventilation and energy recovery ventilations. They're part of what we call the green awareness. Green awareness involves moving your house into more efficient consumption of energy. And this is one of the things we teach over here too. We typically also like to include some of real-life experience. So some of these systems are designed so we can actually change things on them so you can figure out what's wrong with them. Our programs are designed to be tests. You have to pass the test, but also you have to do some kind of project. There's a specific project that included in every class that tells me that you know what you're doing, or you finish up the class in a successful manner. I'm Tony Kasuha, your HVAC instructor. That was a tour of your HVAC shop. I hope to see you soon in the class.